Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Algo Plus EA for MT4 from Algo Trading Group. Let's see. This is a commercial day trading system marketed alongside prop firm challenge services. So let's look at what is publicly available and keep expectations realistic. All right, so from the product page, as you can see here, this is the website. Algo Plus is listed as a day trading expert advisor that works on multiple forex pairs and also trades the XAU USD, which is the gold pair. It is described as capable of helping pass prop firm challenges. Stop loss and take profit are visible. A trailing stop is available, and custom set files, code files, and indicator files are provided. Updates are stated to occur every 2 months, and the 7-day free trial is offered. The broader company presents itself as offering institutional style concepts such as liquidity traps and inducements, verified my FX book results, and assistance with FTMO and similar prop firm challenges. Public information about the precise internal logic is limited. The site emphasizes that the algorithms execute predefined strategies and that clients retain full control of their accounts. All right, so let's take a look at some of the screenshots we have here on the website. As you can see, there's a strategy tester report. So taking a look at that, let's just zoom in a little bit so to be a little bit clearer. Okay, so as you can see, for the period of 2 years, from 2020 to 2022, um, with an initial deposit of $1,000 for that period, the total net profits was almost $90,000. You can see we have 89,927.15. The profit factor was 9.55, and the drawdown was 1.62%. Okay, this is actually pretty good results. You can see the total trades taken in the period were 414 trades. All right. We also have this equity curve here. You can see how it moves. Pretty decent movement if you ask me. Clean and trending upwards. It picks up steam as it heads further to the right, leading to these numbers or these gains we have here on the website. Apparently this is the only screenshots or proof we have to go off on. But it's important to always take these screenshots on the website with a pinch of salt. No independent strategy tester results or detailed equity curves are available, since I couldn't carry out my own personal back tests, and it is sold privately on this website. All right. Day trading systems that hold visible stops and trailing stops can be transparent in risk per trade, yet the absence of publicly auditable long-term every tick tests makes it difficult to assess consistency across different market regimes. Prop firm challenge performance does not automatically equate to sustainable live account growth, especially once profit targets and drawdown rules change. Honestly, the features that matter most are independent verification of the claimed my FX book results under realistic spreads and commissions, the actual risk settings supplied with the EA, whether any recovery or multi-position logic is present, and the total cost including any required VPS or broker conditions. Aggressive marketing around prop firm success should always be treated with caution. As for the nuances and hidden risks, limited public technical detail and reliance on vendor-controlled results increase verification difficulty. Prop firm-oriented systems can be optimized for challenge rules rather than long-term expectancy. Mixed third-party reviews indicate both positive and negative outcomes. In practice, use the field trial thoroughly, demand clear risk parameters, test on a demo with the exact files provided, and never risk capital you cannot afford to lose, as past results never guarantee future performance. This EA may suit traders who specifically want a commercial day trading EA from a prop firm oriented vendor and are prepared to follow the company's setup guidance and broker recommendation. However, you should strongly avoid if you prefer fully transparent EAs or products with public strategy tester results. If you are uncomfortable with private delivery and mixed public reviews, or expect guaranteed challenge passes, beginners should approach commercial prop firm EAs with extra caution. Overall, the Algo Plus EA is a commercial day trading system for multiple pairs and gold, marketed with visible stops, trailing, custom files, and prop firm suitability. Independent strategy tester data is not publicly available. Verification relies on vendor materials and mixed third-party feedback. Thorough independent testing and realistic risk expectations are essential. Always trade the money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.